This is how to create the flash transition effect in Premiere Pro. The first thing you need to do is to come over to this new item button over here and select adjustment layer and hit OK and drag this adjustment layer above your two clips over here. Now we need this adjustment layer to be 10 frames. To do that, simply move your time indicator to the center of your clip over here. Next, hold down Shift on your keyboard and select the left arrow to move 5 frames backward and delete this excess portion over here. And hold down Shift on your keyboard once more and hit the right arrow twice and delete these extra portions over here. So now we have a 10 frame adjustment layer. Now hold down Shift and move the left frame one more time to move back to the center of your clips over here. Go over to the Effects tab and search for Levels and apply the Levels effect onto your adjustment clip over here. Go over to Effects Control and toggle down the stopwatch next to White Input Levels and change the value from 255 to 20 and move it to the start of your clip and hit this Reset Parameter arrow over here to change it back to the original value, and move your time indicator close to the end and hit this Reset Parameter arrow once again to change the value back to 255. Highlight all keyframes, right click and select Ease In, and right click once more and select Ease Out. Now deselect them, select the last keyframe and move it to the end, select the first keyframe and move it to the start. And now if I go to the beginning and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. And that's it guys on how to create the flash transition effect in Premiere Pro.